My internship in the city of Cagliari.
Thinking about you, girl. Being here with you, being near with you, can't explain.
Where life is tranquil. Where elderly live at home independently. A traditional life. And where people are expressive. Designing an intuitive interaction for the user, an elderly person in Sardinia. One button, direct feedback from the TV. And like living in Cagliari, the interaction is tranquil. One can express himself, and it's still a remote control for independent people.
To know that I'm still